Oh, it's a wild and windy place today, it really is. Reminds me of the Isle of Barra. Really windy, really cold. And everywhere is saturated. Anyway, you will see what's happened, which is a bit of a track has been laid there. I'm taking it from a slightly different angle. I know there's bushes in the way, but slightly less repetitive than usual, perhaps. There's the 420 metre thing showing the length of the cutting. And there are signs, in fact, if you look all the way along, there's one there, which is 380 metres. And there's one there which is broken, which is something M. And one further along there, what does that say? Can't see. Well, 340 metres, there you go. So that's how far the cutting is, and that's basically how far the rail's got to go, plus a similar length the other end. So that's 500 or 600 metres still to install. So now I'll come over a little bit so we're not behind the bushes, and we can see the material they're laying down, or the Gore-Tex or whatever it is not weathering very well. It's right over there where it's been bedded down a bit. Back here, some remedial work will be needed. Digging along there, there are 4 pipes under there. I think they must be power pipes. I don't think they're drainage. There's drainage underneath the line. And there's drainage incidentally there as well, under that gravel. That's got drainage there. So you've got sort of 2 rows of stuff in there. Well, as usual when I arrive, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I think they're having their break, or I don't know, I'm missing whatever's happening anyway. And just as I was about to leave, the sun comes out and it's quite warm on my hands. And there's a train coming down with crew on it. You can see it's very, very, very windy today. Very, very windy. That's it, I'm going back to warm up. Have a good day.